life.
Michael got this great idea. Let's take some of this glacial clay from 52 feet. Look at how much I have. I have 20 pounds of it probably. And he's going to put this under the, is it a specialized microscope, Michael?
Yeah.
Very high powered. They use for jewelry and things like that. And I'm just too excited. I have to meet up with a geologist, but this is so amazing. Michael does a lot with gems and all kinds of stuff, and I'm really curious about this. Thank you for your time. It's Sunday morning, 10:30. I got this wonderful person helping me.
History waits for no one.
History waits for no one.
Let's look through this one.
Oh, I can't wait to see. Oh my goodness. I kept this totally refrigerated in my special refrigerator that I have. My refrigerator is in my garage and it got very cold, so, but it's better that it's frozen. It's never been out of, I mean, it went right from the bottom.
Yeah, you can still see the layers.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
The layers of sediment,
yeah.
which would eventually turn into shale as it fossilizes.
Wow.
So I also do photography. Can I take some good pictures of this
Sure.
Yeah.
specimen?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we'll try to get a picture under magnification.
Check this out. Oh, wow, I'm so excited. You know, I could have sworn, I know that there were some little living types of, when I turned one piece over carefully, I mean, I only touched like 4 pieces. I felt like I was touching, I'm thinking this is 10,000 years old. I only touched 3 pieces because I didn't want to change nature or something. It was so funny. But,
Yeah, we'll try to get a clean layer.
oh, no, this is fine. But I mean, when I was down there, I was just so excited about what I was seeing. Oh my God, the rocks all around it.
The layers are awesome.
Yeah.
All of it's like that. If anyone's gonna know, I mean, looking at gems, looking at diamonds, looking at jewelry, I can only imagine. You know that Tina Turner song, You're Simply the Best? I feel like singing that right now. You're simply the best. Wow, that takes incredible pictures.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, she gets great
Holy
photos.
crap. Look at that.
And it, like, you can totally get
The layering.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. Good job. That's some of the, oh, that's like some of the layering
Yeah, and
under
you
the
can
magnification.
look at that. It's so cool.
Mm-hmm. I mean, really, I wish I could just put a tank on you and take you down 52 feet to see this. Honest to God.
We're coming.
Oh, you gotta learn to dive. I gotta get you down there.
I'll get my snorkeling
I
suit.
will take you to see this. I felt like I was on Mars or something. It was.
I bet.
It was the strangest feeling.
So
Oh, this is
amazing.
cool. Let me try to take another picture.
Oh, I love it. Right near the Westminster Station Bridge.
Oh, really?
Yep,
Oh, wow.
52 feet. Used to be 42 feet was the maximum depth. Now it's 52 after Hurricane Irene.
Yeah.
Oh,
at
wait. Remember
What is
Gail?
that?
Gail. Oh, Gail Golick. I wish she was here. She told me about this. Oh my God. Gail, I'm gonna send
Look
you
at-
this video.
Look at that right
Yeah,
there.
yeah. It's. She was telling, about the fossilized. You remember, Michael? She was saying about the fish,
Yeah.
the ear. Oh my gosh.
Look at this, Michael.
Maybe it is videotaping Michael peeling the layers. Her phone is much more detailed than my phone. Oh my goodness! Look at that.
That's the next layer. No visible organic material yet.
No visible organic material yet. When I separated one of those little squares and I turned it over, there were these little black insects that were the size of I'd say a tick.
Alive or dead?
Well, it's hard to say because I thought I saw one move,
Mhm.
but I'm not positive because I
Yeah.
was so excited. Michael sees something organic.
I don't think it's ancient. It was definitely embedded in the clay though. So maybe those tiny holes do have current living organisms.
Oh, so I wonder if
I'm trying to remember, and I've got to look it up in my research.
I don't know what this is. Actually, maybe Kate would know. She's a marine biologist. They
There's
have
some
that.
kind of insect that lays its eggs in the glacial clay, as far as I know, that it's there for years, and then
Is there?
yeah, it's very strange. And then it hatches and gets to the surface. I've got to do a little bit more research about this. I found out a little bit about it.
pull it back a little bit further.
This is so exciting.
Iridescent. Do you want to look
Yeah,
into
it is
the
iridescent.
microscope?
Holy
Do you
crap!
See all this?
What is that? Is that a toenail at the end of it?
It looks like
is that
it
thing?
looks like a toe.
Oh my god, it looks like lava of some sort. Okay, I'm gonna look in here, you guys.
So something's living in them.
Ooh, this is so exciting. But boy, is that gross under the microscope, isn't it? A small worm? No wonder those carp like it down at that depth. If it's a living thing,
Yeah, it was burrowed into the clay.
Isn't it amazing how these creatures can find?
Yes, it's
Oh my god, this is so exciting. I love it.
okay. Want another picture?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on one second. Whoa! No wonder those carp are hanging out down there.
Yeah.
That looks just like the other one with the colors.
Yeah, it's smaller.
What the
than
heck
other
is this? I
one.
can't wait.
Just
We need a biologist now
Yeah.
to tell us what this is. This is a third thing. So far, there's been two of that same, whatever that worm-like thing is.
Well, that pocket looked like it probably was about that size. So I'm wondering if the circle that we saw was something that
There were circles. We'll have to look at my video again. Like lots of circles. Like when you look at it from the side, lots of little circles all through there. Just like swallows. You know when swallows
Oh,
put their
nest?
holes
Yep.
into the side of a banking?
Yep.
That's what it reminded me of.